Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Fanny. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the ugly truth about mini braids takedown that no one actually talks about. So this is my hair. I had these mini braids for the last 2 weeks and you can actually see how much growth I had from them. So I'm going to take you through this process, and the last process is very important. Watch till the end to find out, and I'm going to take you through this just to make sure you take your hair down without causing any damage to your hair and also on your scalp. So you want to take any lightweight oil of your choice. Then you want to start by oiling your scalp. This helps to break down the dirt that your hair has accumulated on the time you had the protective style. Then you want to start by taking the oil and putting a little bit of it in your hands, and you start removing the braids. Make sure you're very gentle on the ends of your hair, as they are the oldest part of your hair and they are very fragile. You can take any tool to help you take down the braids. I know you might be very annoyed that your time with them is over, but you need to put that energy towards them to take them down correctly. This process will actually take time, as it took time when you are installing these mini braids, but then you don't want to rush it. The reason why you don't want to rush it is because you're going to damage your hair, and you are also going to pull your scalp, which will not actually be nice for your hair. The truth is, when taking down natural hair, it will detangle. And how do we handle detangling of the hair without damaging the hair or without putting much pressure on the scalp? So first of all, you want to start by finger detangling your hair. Then you want to pass a wide tooth comb from the ends towards the roots. This avoid unnecessary pulling of the hair from the roots. I've done a very good video about how to detangle natural hair. I'll leave the link on the description box below so you can go and check it out. I believe you're enjoying this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I love to wear protective style. I wear them for 2 to 3 weeks just to avoid over manipulating of my hair. And also this protective style, some of them are so beautiful, and also if you do them with braids, some of them are just so colorful and very nice for our afro hair, and also they help our hair to grow. But then how do you grow your hair on protective style? If you just neglect your hair on protective style, there is nothing much that is going to happen. So how do you take care of your hair on protective style for your hair to grow? First of all, you want to make sure your hair is moistured. But then how do you moisture your hair? I've done a very good video on how to moisture 4C hair. I'll leave the link on the description box below so that you can go and check it after finishing watching this video. So I find this hack very easy for me. So I just take my water bottle, then I add leave-in conditioner, I add oil, and then I shake them all together. Then I just spray it over my hair. So when it's my routine or when it's my regime day, I just spray it on my hair. It's so easy for me to do that because I want my hair to grow, and also I want my hair to be moistured, as our hair, need that moisture to survive and also to thrive. When you have protective styles on, you want to avoid over manipulating or over styling them, as this will actually pull your hair from the scalp and makes you lose your hairline and also cause damages to your scalp. So how long do you need to have protective style for? To avoid damaging your hair. No one actually tells you that having protective style for so long will actually damage your hair. So I tend to have protective style for 3 weeks or for a month, but you can have them up to 6 weeks depending on the type of protective style you have. The thing is, you want to avoid damaging your hair while you have the protective style or you have the mini braids on. So these are some of the protective styles you can have on your hair without damaging your hair. So you can have box braid, you can have crochet hair, you can have wigs, you can have two-strand twists, you can have flat twists, and also you can have braided ponytails, or you can have a bun. This process actually took me 3 to 4 hours, so that's a lot of time you might need to be taking down your hair. So depending on the type of hair you have, sometimes you can actually speed up the process by asking somebody else to come and help you, or you can actually do it yourself, but then it will take a lot of time. So I always tend to do my hair myself, just to avoid over pulling, and also to make sure I am so gentle with my hair. I would really love to hear from you, and I would really love to know how long your protective style actually takes you to take down. Let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you, and I will be so glad and grateful. I believe this was the last protective style or last mini braid I was taking down, but you never know with this natural hair. Sometimes you tend to be relieved that you are done with doing or with taking down your protective style. Then when you touch your hair back, it's there waiting for you to take it down again. Then you're like, I have to do it again. I believe this has happened to you, as it happens to me every now and again. So the last process you want to do is your hair has gone through a very stressful moment, so you want to take it back to its natural state. So then how do we do this? Take your deep conditioner of your choice, then you want to apply it on your hair, sit on it or sit on the heat cap for 20 to 30 minutes. Then you're going to wash it out. Then you want to do a very simple wash and go, and don't over manipulate your hair. Leave it to breathe for a while. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply deep conditioner and sit under heat cap for 20 to 30 minutes. Then I'm going to do a very simple wash and go, and I want to make sure I don't over manipulate my hair. But then I'm going to show you towards the end how my hair actually is going to look like after doing all my hair care regime. So this is how my hair turns out to be. So you can see how much growth I had, and how my hair is, and how thick my lovely 4C hair is. And I really like it this way because it is actually easy for me. When I was doing my washing, it was so easy for me to do it because I had already detangled my hair while taking down the mini braid. So if you don't detangle your hair while doing the mini braid, it might be a little bit stressful on doing on your wash day. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye bye, till next time.